Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Is it safe to microwave baby food? Heating baby food in the microwave is generally safe. However, certain precautions must be taken to ensure that no chemicals leach into the food. Here's all you need to know. Risks of microwaving baby food. 1. Uneven heating. Microwaves might heat food unevenly, leading to some portions of the food being warm or cold and others forming hot pockets, which can burn your baby's mouth. 2. Chemical leaching. Using plastic or non-microwave safe containers can lead to chemicals leaching into your baby's food and harming their health. 3. Radiation. It is said that the microwave emits radiation while cooking or heating that might cause health issues in infants. Precautions to take while microwaving baby food. 1. Use microwave-safe or heat-resistant glass containers, avoid plastic containers. 2. Cover food with a microwave-safe lid to retain moisture. 3. Heat food thoroughly to kill harmful bacteria that might poison your baby. 4. Avoid burning the food by leaving it for too long. 5. Don't heat food while doing other chores. 6. Transfer food to another utensil after heating. Stir well to remove hot pockets. Tips to safely microwave baby food. 1. Heat baby formula for a maximum of 10 to 15 seconds. Shake well to even out the temperature. 2. Use a microwave that is functioning well. 3. Read the instruction manual to avoid accidents. 4. Preheat the microwave before reheating the food. 5. Stir occasionally while heating to ensure it's even. 6. Ensure you are heating to the right temperature to kill all bacteria. 7. Check the temperature before feeding the food to your baby to avoid scalding their mouth. 8. Do not reheat food more than once. Tips to thaw or defrost baby food. 1. Use microwave-safe containers to thaw or defrost the food. 2. Ensure your microwave has defrost settings. 3. Rotate the container manually if your microwave has no rotating table to ensure even heating. 4. Stir occasionally to avoid hot air pockets. 5. Defrost frozen food cubes for 30 to 40 seconds. 6. Heat defrosted or thawed food immediately to kill prevalent bacteria. 7. Set food aside until the temperature is optimal for the baby. 8. Test the temperature to ensure it is safe to feed your baby. While microwave